It's a shocking animal sport that's come to light from Punjab. Two dogs, some could even be pups, are made to fight with each other for mere entertainment. It's called the Dog Fight. Animal rights activists have set up a Facebook page called Exposing Animal Fights in India, where more than 100 secretly captured videos of canine blood sport have been uploaded. Let's go through a reaction from one of the activists.
They deserve to be arrested. There is enough evidence against them. Since they are self-proclaimed offenders, they deserve to be arrested. They should be arrested under Section 429 IPC, which is a cognizable offence. So the local police needs to be alerted. Just any citizen can file a complaint against them. On this, on your report, if you've aired it in the media, watching this report, any citizen in Punjab can go to the local police station, register a complaint against them, and ask that they be arrested under Section 429 IPC. It is foolish for people to promote dog fighting. It is not just cruel. It is illegal, immoral and completely unnecessary.
इनका एक गाना हमने हमारे नोटिस में अभी आया तो हमने देखा कि क्योंकि ये गाने बार बार इस्तेमाल हुए हैं बैकग्राउंड में जब डॉग फाइट्स हो रही हैं तो वहाँ पीछे बार बार ये गाने इस्तेमाल हुए हैं। तो दिलजीत का एक गाना है जिसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि मैंने 4 पिटबुल रखे हुए हैं डॉग फाइट्स के लिए, और एक हैं कमल ग्रेवाल जो सिंगर हैं, उनका गाना है सरकारी बैन। उसमें सारी ऐसी चीज़ें प्रमोट करी गई हैं जो सरकार की तरफ से बैन है। तो उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि पिटबुल का दौर चलाया, बैलों की रेस कराते हैं, सट्टेबाजी करते हैं कबूतर पे, जो कि गैम्बलिंग एक्ट में भी आता है। तो इस तरीके से गैर कानूनी चीज़ें वहाँ पे प्रमोट की गई हैं इन गानों के थ्रू।
Well, even as dog fight is deemed illegal by activists in India, here's what the Punjab music icon Diljit Dosanjh is singing. He's in the dog for promoting dog fights in his songs, as pointed out by one of the activists. Here's a sample from his song Pitbull. Well, that's just a slice to show you how popular dog fights are in Punjab in spite of being illegal. Dog fights are in violation of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Now, let me go across to my colleague Ilma, who's joining us. Ilma, why is it that even though this offence is punishable by fine and also 3 months imprisonment, clearly that's not enough to deter people, and somewhere down the line it's also the administration at fault for turning a blind eye to the sport in the state?
Well, Devina, it's pretty clear, right, that there isn't enough knowledge or information about the fact that these are heinous crimes that are punishable by law. I mean, you have a superstar like Diljit Dosanjh, who's so big, he's known worldwide. He has a strong PR team behind him, a marketing team behind him. He has access to the best directors who will give him the best advice about what to do. But despite all of that, in his videos, Diljit Dosanjh is still showing dog fighting, the cruel act, that is punishable by law. The Supreme Court has also put a ban on it. And when we are speaking to activists as well, all of them told us the same thing, that this is a fight that they've been fighting for a long time now. It happens in Punjab, it happens in Haryana. They said dogs are put under the most brutal, cruel and heinous conditions. Since their birth, they are made to be aggressive. 2 pups are put against each other and made to growl and bark at each other till they're old enough to start fighting. Dogs are even made to fight cows and bigger animals like that as well. So even though, superstars like Diljit Dosanjh have all the access, they still don't have enough information to even know that this is something that they're not supposed to do.
Or they're just playing to the gallery, Ilma. They're just trying to play to the gallery, trying to play favorites with their fans as well by espousing this illegal sport. Let's take a listen into it, and nothing short of it, Ilma, but any word from the actors team as well? Any word to clarify on why is he once again spreading this sport through his songs when it's illegal? It's nothing short of cruelty to animals.
Well, Devina, there has been no word from Diljit Dosanjh so far. He stayed quiet on the subject, but when animal welfare activists contacted Kamal Grewal, the other person whose video also promotes dog fighting, where he says that my friends are the ones who started the trend, he said that the song's name